fact, staying with this story, there is a piece of breaking news that's coming in. In fact, exclusively speaking to CNN News 18, KTR has spoken about the phone tapping saga. He said that BRS working president has said, and he's in fact dared Chief Minister Revanth Reddy to arrest him and KCR in the case.
The allegations our phone was tapped of politicians for electoral gains and electoral bonds.
Let me tell you something. Allegations are plenty. It's easy. Allegation में क्या है? मैं आपको बोलूँगा रोहिणी ने अभी यहाँ पे एक चोरी करके आई यहाँ पे मेरे पास. अगर मैं आधार के सहित मैं एस्टैब्लिश नहीं करूँगा, क्या बकवास है ये? कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट में आते ही सडनली सबको ये लगने लगता है कि उनको अटेंशन डाइवर्ट करना है. किसी भी हाल में 6 गारंटी और 420 प्रोमिसेस से मीडिया अटेंशन, पब्लिक अटेंशन डाइवर्ट करना है. तो टाइम पास चाहिए. मैं सीधी बात मैंने उन्हीं से पूछा, मेरे इन्वेस्टिगेटर से जिन्होंने मुझे बुलाया. आई आस्क्ड देम डायरेक्टली ऑन टू देयर फेस. आई सेड, व्हाई डोंट यू शो मी द एविडेंस ऑफ फोन टैपिंग? और किस एक्ट्रेस का फोन मैंने टैप किया या अलिजिडली मैंने टैप किया, बताओ. उन्होंने कहा कुछ नहीं है ऐसा. बिजनेसमैन, इलेक्ट्रल बॉन्ड्स. आई सेड, डिड एनीबडी कंप्लेन टू यू? नो, व्हाई आर यू मेकिंग अप दिस बुलशिट स्टोरीज? These are cock and bull stories made up by Congress party.
What if the SIT arrests your father, K.C. Chandrasekhar Rao ji, or yourself?
See, they are in government. You can arrest anybody in this country. They can come and arrest you. They have arrested journalists, several journalists in Telangana for doing a story. You know, the chief minister and the ministers squabble about a particular tender, and eventually the journalist becomes scapegoat, and 3 journalists were arrested recently. I don't know if you know this. So they can arrest anybody. But the fact of the matter is, mere arrest will do nothing. And I don't think the government has anything to prove or establish. And I don't think we've done anything otherwise. So therefore, there is nothing for us to be afraid. 2 साल से सुन रहे हैं हम लोग कि आज अरेस्ट करेंगे, कल अरेस्ट करेंगे. अरे करो भाई, इतना अगर इच्छा है, इतना ही पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा है तो करो. कौन रोक रहा है आपको?
Are you ready? Because it's SIT. If they say that they have evidence that supports the fact that this issue, the phone tapping issue, could possibly lead to arrest.
Rohini, I'll tell you, 2 years since the FIR has been filed. If they had an iota of evidence of any illegality that has happened, they would have done a lot of things. They would have already been shouting from rooftops. उनके मन में जो भी है, क्योंकि वो खुद चोर है, उनको लगता है कि हर किसी ने गलत काम किया होगा. हमने कुछ गलत किया ही नहीं, तो डरेंगे रेवंत रेड्डी से नहीं, उसके बाप से भी नहीं डरेंगे.
Well, that's all we could pack in today's edition of Simply South. Time for a quick break now. On the other side, news and updates follow.